Wednesday. Looks super cute. I'm gonna do lighters, and then I'm using a welcome hugs here. This is great for any of you. Hello Glam, hi, how are you? Hi Miss Mixie. You're not ready? Me too, I'm not ready at all. I'm like really enjoy summertime. I'm not ready to see a time change, and then, you know, when it's getting dark really fast. Love the fall color, I love it too. Great, let it set. So I am going to use this to like the welcome hugs and delight. Just the two colors. We need to do something because it's not like kind of nice, fun, excited, but no naming. I love to got to read from the notes that who's the winners of naming the set. Piece of my paper right there. So I did is my base, I did 2 coat. Basically, the thing is I did 1 coat with this fusioning. You can do 2 coat of the like white gel polish, or you can do 1 coat of it. It's really depend on you. And so you're gonna do just really tap just a little bit. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the team. To have you all. Great, I'm gonna wipe that off. Okay. Looks really good. All right. So, do you want to see another ones with the fusioning? Should I do all 2 of them first? And I am going to use the second nail, which would be Honesty and Delight. So, doggone ones and see how it's going to turn out for us. Hey, Bella. Hey, how are you? Good to see you. It's good to see everyone today. Happy Wednesday. Hope you all have a great day, blessing day. Doing good at work. Oh my god, I love it. Mika got everybody. And Bella got everybody. That's awesome. Here's Honesty. These colors complement so much. Hey Dom, how are you? I tried to see if I can catch any of you was like I say, hey you. Hi you. Hey. He said, I'm here. He was like quiet, whispered, like, I'm here. So basically you get nothing, you don't need anything. Hold on, I think I forgot to show you the clear.
It's called giraffe now.
Huh? Oh.
Giraffe.
It's, I think, this one. You know, you're right though. Like us. So you misnaming the set. Should we get started? We got all of you with all the emails and the names. I double checked for all of you already, so we just want to make sure you all know that we got it. So when everything is shipped out, it will be email including your tracking number in there. So we got you. All right, so good. The two different colors together is turned out really cool. All right, so I'm so obsessed with this set foil. I took it out. This is set 50. And there's so many colors. I think we did that last week. And then on this nails, on this design is so cute. Look at this. I can like do whole nails with this. Or even that. Oh, I want that. The reason that I'm showing all of you here, because you know that I didn't want to cut it, so then you can see different angle, different edges will make it different look. Like with this one, you can do right here little fall leaves. Like maple leaf, I miss this. And then the other ones, we can do that look. Right there. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's do that. And then the other ones I'm probably gonna do is a blossom gel for us. So I am go ahead and using my